I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for a great vitamin B12 supplement, then I highly recommend this one by Solgar. This is the Solgar Vitamin B12 1000 micrograms. And there's a few things that I really love about this. First of all, the little nuggets are super small, so they're very easy to take. And not only that, but they're also dissolvable or chewable, which I think is great. So no need to swallow. I also love the taste. They have kind of a cherry flavor, and for me, it's great. Like, I actually enjoy taking these. It's not a chore. I also really appreciate that this little bottle comes with 250 nuggets, so it really has a long time supply. This small bottle has lasted me a very long time. Overall, I'm very happy with the quality and I highly recommend these. And that's my point of view.